So मेरा ना डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म किक इट कर जाता है. I would much rather come out as this, speak so arrogant, so cocky, than come out as कि she was sad. So I can't do that. I know the amount of backlash I'll get, and only I know the guilt I feel. Nobody comes to me, nobody is in my room seeing how I'm dealing with it. They just see कि इसको तो फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है. What, do you want me to go on live and cry about it? I can't do, and I will not do that. That's just not in my nature. I will not let you see me weak. But that doesn't mean that it doesn't bother me. The constant slut shaming, the death threats, the rape threats, people telling me you deserve to get this, that doesn't even make sense. Like, it's not like I have robbed somebody or killed somebody. I made a decision, selfish. Okay. And Lakshya and Shobika told on camera है ये सारी बातें दिग्विजय को कि सुन, हमें पता लगा है कल एक ट्विस्ट आने वाला है, तेरे को ऑप्शन मिलेगा to choose between Unnati and Kashish to perform finale. He said, I'll choose Unnati.
Hello everyone, welcome to Times of India. Today we have with us the very gorgeous, very talented, somebody who left her mark on the show and has been making headlines throughout, Kashish Kapoor with us. Hello Kashish, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. Thank you.
So Kashish, your journey in Splitsvilla 15 ended in a very unexpected way. It caused a lot of drama, controversy. आपको क्या कहना है उसके बारे में?
I can't say कि जो हुआ है मुझे उम्मीद नहीं थी. मैंने इसको बहुत पहले ही I saw it coming from a mile away, and it's only befitting for me कि I have my journey ended like this because मेरी journey start भी बहुत unexpected हुई थी. पहले ही दिन मेरी विला में लड़ाई हुई थी, पहला ही टास्क के पहले मेरी लड़ाई हुई थी, पहले ही डोम में मैं रो दी थी. तो लाइफ कम्स अ फुल सर्कल, और आखिरी दिन भी वही हुआ. एंड जो मैंने डिसीजन लिया था, मुझे पता था कि वो फॉर वट एवर रीजन मेरे लिए तो सही था क्योंकि मैंने अपने लिए किया, बट उसका कोलैटरल डैमेज क्या था, उसकी कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस क्या थे, आई न्यू इट. एंड मुझे पता था, एंड मेरे को पता था कि मैं उसको कितना हर्ट कर रही हूँ अभी. माई ओनली प्रॉब्लम इज कि अगर मुझे सिर्फ इस बात की हेट मिले ना कि मैंने किसी कंटेस्टेंट के साथ गलत किया, आई विल एक्सेप्ट इट ग्रेशियसली क्योंकि मैंने किया है फॉर वट एवर रीजन. बट यार मैं कितना मिसअंडरस्टैंड हो रही हूँ. I'm being so misunderstood, and I can't even, to be very honest, I can't even blame the audience because see, it's a reality TV show. The makers care about the TRP, and ये कितनी बड़ी story line है यार. उनका most favorite performer, the most loved one, उसको एक लड़की ने उसका सपना तोड़ दिया, fallen hero. And this girl that was alone and she took the boldest decision of the century, like overnight villain. This is a big storyline. So of course they went with it, but mera only concern was every single part where I showed the slightest bit of remorse या फिर जो मेरा guilt था, या where I have genuinely apologized and I shared how heavy I feel, वो party कट गया. So nobody believes, and I saw myself and I was like, I look so evil. So see, I have a thing now. Everybody has their defense mechanism. My defense mechanism is when I get very awkward, I laugh. कि मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा कि मैं क्या react करूं, तो I laugh. और background music क्या ले दिया? जिंदगी को जिंदगी बनाने आया पैसा. And I was like, shit yaar. So those things play a role. And even more than that, I was so taken aback by the way the contestants are reacting, because जब मैंने वो decision लिया था, trust me, I had my share of guilt. Every single contestant came to me and they were like, Kashish, you were right, तुमने कोई गलत नहीं किया. We feel bad for Digvijay, but you were right. And वो support भी शायद मेरे apology के साथ कट गया because I can't see it anymore. And I think it's just the fruit of whatever I have done. I'm reaping what I have sown, so I can't really complain about it.
तो कशिश, जो भी हुआ स्प्लिट्सविला में ड्यूरिंग द फिनाले, वो चीज को काफी टाइम हो गया है. इफ यू सी 3-4 महीने हो चुके, और रिसेंटली वो ऑन एयर गया स्प्लिट्सविला पे. तो लुकिंग एट इट नाउ, डू यू थिंक यू should have made another decision? Yeah, if you could go back and change anything about the decision, would you do that?
I have thought about it a lot of times. जो मैंने decision लिया वो मैंने अपने लिए लिया था. ऐसा तो था नहीं कि मैं ये सोच के ले रही थी कि हाँ पब्लिक को फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, अब पब्लिक को फर्क पड़ेगा. नहीं, I will not be a hypocrite like that. मुझे तब भी पता था यार कि बैकलैश मिलेगा, एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक मैंने सोचा कि चलो अब मैं इसको धोखा देती हूँ. दैट वाज नेवर माय इंटेंशन. मेरे भी हाथ तंग थे. इट वाज माय फर्स्ट रियलिटी शो. आई डिड नॉट नो हाउ थिंग्स प्ले आउट, हाउ थिंग्स लुक. सो आई डिड नॉट हैव द बेस्ट जजमेंट. बट हाँ, आई थिंक मैं डिसीजन तो शायद अभी भी वही लेती, क्योंकि मैंने जो रीजंस दिए दैट आर ट्रू फॉर माई सेल्फ. जस्ट बिकॉज मैं अपने स्ट्रगल्स नहीं गिना रही हूँ डजंट मीन आई डिडंट हैव देम. और अब मैं बहुत अच्छा कर रही हूँ. टचवुड, आई एम डूइंग ग्रेट फॉर माई सेल्फ. बट द रीजन दैट आई गेव वर ट्रू. बट if there's anything I would like to change, there's a thing ना, मेरी एक आदत है. I can't let people see me vulnerable and weak. I don't like it. So मेरा ना डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म किक कर जाता है. I would much rather come out as this, speak so arrogant, so cocky, than come out as कि she was sad. So I can't do that. But yeah, looking back, if there's anything I would have done differently, maybe, just maybe, be a little more empathetic. I could have done that.
कशिश, इट वॉज वेरी ब्रेव ऑफ यू टू एडमिट कि आपको थोड़ा और एम्पैथेटिक होना चाहिए था. दैट इज वेरी ब्रेव ऑफ यू. ऑल्सो आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन कि आपको लगता है कि अगर दिग्विजय नहीं होता, उसके जगह कोई और कंटेस्टेंट होता और आपने डिसीजन लिया होता, तो थिंग्स वुड हैव बीन मच डिफरेंट.
Yes, I do feel that. I think, पता है, अगर आप देखोगे with the current scenario, a lot of people are taking out things from what I have said out of context, and वो मुझे उस बात पे मॉक कर रहे हैं. चलो, अगर मैंने वो लाइन नहीं बोली होती तो क्या तुम मुझे प्यार कर रहे हो? नहीं कर रहे होते ना. सो आई डोंट थिंक इट्स बिकॉज अगर आप बहुत ऑब्जेक्टिवली देखो, और मैंने दिग्विजय को मैनिपुलेट नहीं किया था. वी हैड कॉन्वर्सेशन एंड दिग्विजय इज वेरी स्मार्ट. ही हिमसेल्फ सेड कि ही हैड अ हंच, मैं उसको मैनिपुलेट नहीं कर सकती हूँ. बट अगर हम वो एंगल ही पकड़ लें कि पब्लिक के अकॉर्डिंग मैंने मैनिपुलेट किया, तो एक रियलिटी टीवी शो में एक ऐसा कंटेस्टेंट जो आपका मास्टरमाइंड था, उसको एक ऐसे कंटेस्टेंट ने मैनिपुलेट कर दिया इतनी बड़ी बात पे जिसको आपने अंडर एस्टिमेट किया था. तो दैट मेक्स मी द बेस्ट मैनिपुलेटर एंड मास्टरमाइंड. तो पब्लिक शुड अपलॉड मी गेम वाइज, बिकॉज जब सेम डिसीजंस बाकियों ने लिए थे, अब अपने दोस्तों को निकालना या किसी को डंप करना, दे वर हेल्ड एज मास्टरमाइंड. और मुझे क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं क्योंकि मैंने किसी का सपना तोड़ दिया, मैंने मैनिपुलेट किया. तो अगर मैं सिर्फ इस पार्ट को पकड़ूं, तो यार हर किसी का सपना था स्प्लिट्स वाला जीतना. शिवी का भी था जब वो स्प्लिट्स में सेमीफिनाले में बाहर निकल गया, बाकियों का भी था. और अगर सिर्फ मैनिपुलेट करने की बात है तो एवरीबडी डिड दैट ऑन द शो. मैंने नहीं किया, बट अगर मैंने किया तो आपको एज अ कंटेस्टेंट तो मुझे अपलॉड करना चाहिए कि भाई ये क्या खेली ये बंदी, इतनी बड़ी बात में उसको मैनिपुलेट कर दी. उसको दुख हुआ, बट इसने अपना गेम बहुत अच्छा खेला. बट आई डिडंट गेट दैट. और मुझे हेट इसलिए नहीं मिल रहा कि मैंने फिनाले नहीं चूज, क्योंकि मैंने देवन से बोला है, मुझे इट्स अ डीप रियलिटी शो. हाँ, सो बट तो उनको दुख इस बात का ज्यादा है कि मैंने दिग्विजय के साथ ही किया. एंड ऑफ कोर्स दिग्विजय को हर्ट पहुंचा होगा, बट पहुंचा है इनफैक्ट. बट आई थिंक अगर दिग्विजय की जगह कोई और कंटेस्टेंट होता तो इतनी मुझे नहीं बैकलैश मिलती. इट्स बिकॉज मैंने उनके फेवरेट हीरो के साथ कुछ कर दिया, नॉट बिकॉज मैंने किया, मैंने उनके फेवरेट हीरो के साथ किया. सो आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाई आई एम रिसीविंग मोर.
मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वही था कशिश आपसे. लाइक यू मेंशन, आपको काफी बैकलैश मिल रहा है ऑन सोशल मीडिया, राइट? एंड आपका भी फर्स्ट रियलिटी शो है. हाउ आर यू डीलिंग विद ऑल ऑफ इट?
आई एम नॉट. It is so tough. And I'll be very honest, it's not even the backlash that bothers me, क्योंकि जब मैंने ये decisions लिए थे मुझे पता है ये part ही कट गया bro. But I literally, these were my words कि I am carrying so much baggage on me. I know the amount of backlash I'll get, and only I know the guilt I feel. Nobody comes to me, nobody is in my room seeing how I'm dealing with it. They just see कि इसको तो फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है. What, do you want me to go live and cry about it? I can't do, and I will not do that. That's just not in my nature. I will not let you see me weak. But that doesn't mean that it doesn't bother me. And public hate मुझे उतना नहीं फर्क पड़ रहा है, क्योंकि ठीक है मैंने किया है गलत, मैंने उनको किया है hurt. And there are also people, they expected better. Most people expected better from me, and they are just misunderstanding me. तो मैं वो तो फिर भी झेल लूंगी. But the constant slut shaming, the death threats, the rape threats, people telling me you deserve to get this, that, That doesn't even make sense. Like, it's not like I have robbed somebody or killed somebody. I made a decision, selfish, okay, but it was a selfish game. I made a decision for myself, for my survival on the game. It's not like I harmed somebody personally. And on top of that, the way the contestants have behaved, like, their love, sympathy, and morals have shifted with the wave of the audience. Because I kid you not, all these contestants, not even half or one, all these contestants, every single one came to me and they hugged me and they were like, Ashish, you're not wrong. Like, obviously, we feel bad for Digvijay, but you are not wrong. And if I was wrong, how are you so friendly with me these past 4 months? They were all my friends. We chilled together. If I have hurt you so much, Harsh hurt me a lot. I was not friends with Harsh until he apologized to me. But he did. So, ठीक है, होता है. Every other person was my friend. Was my friend. But then finale came and they unfollowed me. And they were like, नहीं हमें बहुत बुरा लगा. तो उस दिन बुरा नहीं लगा था. जब मैंने दिग्विजय के साथ गलत किया तब तुम्हें बुरा नहीं लगा. तब तुम मेरे दोस्त बने. उसके साथ तुमने मेरे साथ चिल किया. We were friends. अभी फिनाले आया और क्योंकि पब्लिक सिंपैथी है तो मैंने गलत किया. तुम्हें तो इनफैक्ट मेरा सपोर्ट करना चाहिए बिकॉज यू सॉ हाउ इट गॉट एडिटेड आउट. वहां तुम मुझे सपोर्ट दे रहे थे बिकॉज आई एक्सप्रेस्ड माई गिल्ट. वो गिल्ट ही कट आउट हो गया. दीज गाइज नो हाउ इविल आई एम लुकिंग एंड दीज गाइज नो आई वाज नॉट लाइक दैट. So if anything, they should at least tell me, na, okay, whatever happened was wrong. There's another side to the story. She's being misunderstood. Nothing. Nothing. There were people जो फिनाले के 2 दिन पहले तक मेरे साथ आके बैठे थे and they were chilling with me and they were telling me how Digvijay is playing, how Digvijay is doing this, he will do that. वो सिंपैथी मिल्क करेगा. मैं दिग्विजय को पर्सनली नहीं जानती हूँ और मेरे मन में गिल्ट है क्योंकि मैंने उसको हर्ट किया है तो मैं उसके खिलाफ बोल नहीं सकती हूँ बिकॉज मेरा मन नहीं मानेगा. But these guys were there. They were telling me how he's gonna क्या बोलते हैं, milk the sympathy. He will do this, he will do that, and I was like, fine, I don't care. You know my reality. You stick with me. And that person texted me on WhatsApp. Hey, Kashish, are you doing okay? But Digvijay के लिए they gave a public story कि it's so wrong. Whatever happened with you, तुम्हारा सपना टूट गया. So these subtle remarks, these subtle differences, I can't even criticize because I should know better.
Yeah.
I'm like, it's fine. तुमने मुझे अपनी जगह दिखा दी, तुमने मुझे उसकी जगह दिखा दी. It's fine.
So did you try to speak to Digvijay after the whole grand finale thing?
Of course, yes. Of course. We did speak. फिनाले में सबके सामने तो मैंने अपोलोजाइज किया है. आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम्स विद पब्लिक अपॉलॉजी. चाय पे चर्चा में मैंने आकृति पे कितना चलाया. जब मुझे पता लगा कि उसकी गलती नहीं है तो मैंने उसको पर्सनली सॉरी बोल दिया था. रियलिटी में मुझे सनी मैम के सामने दोबारा बोलने की जरूरत नहीं थी. पर मैंने पब्लिकली हर्ट किया है तो मैं पब्लिकली अपोलोजाइज करूंगी एंड आई हैव नो शेम और ईगो इन दैट. फिनाले वाले दिन मैंने किया. मैंने वीडियोज में भी किया. उसके बाद विला में 1-on-1 मैंने उससे बात नहीं की बिकॉज मैं किस मुंह से जाके उससे बात करती यार. मैं अपना गिल्ट उस पर नहीं दिखा सकती हूँ. इवन इफ आई एम सफरिंग आई हैव टू गिव हिम हिज स्पेस एंड हिज टाइम टू डील विद हिज इमोशन. फिर हम दिल्ली में मिले थे. दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम वी मेट एंड इट वाज सो ऑकवर्ड बिकॉज या आई नो कि व्हाटएवर आई हैव डन फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड आई विल डू इट अगेन इफ गिवन द सिचुएशन. बट कोलैटरल डैमेज तो वो हुआ था ना. आई कैन नॉट टर्न अ ब्लाइंड आई टू दैट. वो हुआ था. So I had so much of guilt inside me. I could not look him in the eye. I couldn't talk. So then after we met a couple of times in Mumbai, mutual association में, क्योंकि सर्कल बहुत छोटा है, मुंबई बहुत छोटा है. Everybody knows everybody. So common circles में and बहुत ही ऊपर से बात होती थी. अब क्योंकि एक रूम में है, लड़ तो नहीं सकते हैं ना. वो मुझे मारेगा नहीं, मैं उसके बाल नहीं खींचूंगी. तो we were civil. We were not tense but civil. पर मेरे अंदर वो चोर था कि I have to talk. In fact, I don't even care if you hate me publicly because that's the gameplay. I understand. My only concern was that I cannot sleep at night knowing I have hurt this guy. So I just need to talk it out on that level. And Sachin's birthday was the perfect opportunity because, a few shots of vodka and you get a lot of confidence. And that is what I needed. So we were at his party and obviously him and I were not talking, but I wanted to talk. I wanted to let it out. I could not carry that guilt in my heart anymore. I just wanted to talk about it. And proper opportunity is required क्योंकि मैं सचिन के घर पे 10 लोगों के बीच में उसको नहीं बोल सकती हूँ, हे दिग्विजय मुझे माफ कर देना. Can't do that. और प्लस हिम्मत भी नहीं थी. So that night I was drunk and he was also there. So I got some confidence and I walked up to him and I said, Digvijay, why are you doing what you're doing? And my problem is, this is I am not very soft. So that's the thing. Even if I come to you with utmost love now, My love language is taunting. So I'm like, मैं तुम्हें ताना पा रहा हूँ, पर मैंने बात की ना, that is my love language, which is, I can't expect everybody to understand it, but that is my problem. I'm not, see, even now, I mean to talk to you in the nicest manner, but this is how it's looking. So, but that party, and he's like, क्या बात कर रही है? मैंने कहा, you know now why I did what I did, because there were reasons. It's not like मेरा मन किया मैं उसको धोखा दे देती हूँ, नहीं. There were reasons, and I told him the reason. He knew the reason. So I told him कि देख मुझे तेरे को तो पता है ना why I did what I did. उसके बाद you know how sorry I am because I've hurt you, because मेरे कारण ये हुआ है. तेरे को अगर publicly मुझसे बात नहीं करनी है, you wanna maintain that, fine, do it, it's fine. But I can't be okay with the fact that you hate me. I can't deal with that fact that I have hurt you. And you should know that it's not like I wanted to hurt you. There were reasons. These were the reasons. You know everything. I'm just sorry because I have done things to you and I can't deal with that because it's not like I wanted to do it. And and he understood and he said, हाँ कशिश मुझे पता है reality show कैसे काम करता है. I know. Even other people told him कि तेरे को पता है ना भाई game कैसे चलता है. तूने किया है एक show. Because it's reality show is never real. It's fragments of reality. Things go on off camera. So there was a guy who told him तूने रोडीज भी किया तेरे को पता है ना how things work, and he said हाँ भाई मुझे पता है इसकी गलती नहीं है, ऐसा होता है वैसा होता है. He knew the ground reality and he told me कि अच्छा ठीक है भाई मेरे को तेरे से गुस्सा नहीं है, it's okay, I just need some time and we'll be okay. So I did apologize. I did speak. यास आइलैंड जाने से पहले, अबू धाबी जाने से पहले 2 दिन पहले सचिन के घर पे हम थे. We did speak, we talked. We didn't become best friends, but we were cordial. But now it looks like I never apologized to him. The narrative is that I never spoke to him, I never apologized to him, I never made an effort, which is just not true because I did. Him accepting that apology or not is on to him, but you cannot deny the fact that I did.
Yes, Kashish. Kashish, usually होता क्या है when you stand up for yourself on a show like that जो इतना ज़्यादा public है, viewership इतनी ज़्यादा है, it may turn out as कि दूसरे बंदे के लिए वो इतना right नहीं है. But then you did what you had to do, right? Do you think the hate is justified? All of it is justified?
No. अगर दिग्विजय को मौका मिलता, in fact this happened. फिनाले से एक रात पहले सेमीफिनाले के बाद जब एक्स कंटेस्टेंट्स केम बैक टू द विला, ये सेगमेंट आया ही नहीं. आई डोंट नो व्हाई दे डिडंट शो इट बट इट हैपेंड. शुभी, मैं, शुभी, मैं, दिग्विजय, उन्नति, लक्ष्य, शोभिका, वी वर देयर एंड लक्ष्य एंड शोभिका टोल्ड ऑन कैमरा है ये सारी बातें दिग्विजय को कि सुन हमें पता लगा है कल एक ट्विस्ट आने वाला है, तेरे को ऑप्शन मिलेगा टू चूज बिटवीन उन्नति एंड कशिश टू परफॉर्म फिनाले. ही सेड आई विल चूज उन्नति एंड आई जस्ट लुक्ड एट हिम लाइक व्हाट एंड लक्ष्य सेड बट ब्रो तू कशिश के कारण पहुंचा, अगर वो नहीं होती तो तू नहीं पहुंचता, और कल अगर तू उन्नति को चूज करेगा तो कशिश गेम से बाहर हो जाएगी, तेरे को चलेगा तो फिर भी उन्नति को चूज करेगा. एंड आई वाज जस्ट क्वाइट लिसनिंग एंड ही सेड हाँ भाई मतलब मेरी प्रायोरिटी तो उन्नति, तो मैं उन्नति को चूज करेगा, कशिश समझ जाएगी. Of course it was a prank. They said नहीं भाई हम prank कर रहे थे. But Digvijay didn't know when he answered that. His choice was always clear ना. His choice is तो his priority is उन्नति. मैं तो किसी की priority list में थी ही नहीं. I never had a friend who backed me up there once. Say चलो ठीक है, I was the worst person. I didn't deserve to have a friend or a connection, but I did not. I didn't have a friend. I didn't have a connection. I was nobody's first priority. I was my first priority. When others took decisions for themselves, they didn't get the backlash. When I took a decision for myself, I'm getting the backlash. मेरे कारण उसको हर्ट हुआ है, आई अंडरस्टैंड, बट प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर वो मेरा फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी नहीं था तो मैं भी उसकी फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी नहीं थी. आई फील सॉरी फॉर व्हाट आई हैव डन बिकॉज इट हैज हर्ट हिम, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक आई मैनिपुलेटेड हिम एंड आई लाइड टू हिम. नो, आई टोल्ड हिम द ग्राउंड रियलिटी एंड ही इज अवेयर ऑफ इट. ऑब्वियसली मैं मुंह खोल के उसको नहीं बोलूंगी क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली मैं भी तो एक गेम ही खेल रही हूँ ना. इट्स नॉट लाइक ही वुड स्टिक विद मी आउटसाइड द शो. हमारी 3 दिन की दोस्ती थी. He wrote my name for dumping once. It's not like he ever cared for me. हम 3 दिन साथ में थे and I dedicated my every single victory to him. I was completely with him. When I won in semi-finale, it was such a big moment. I could have said मैंने अपने लिए किया, मेरे लिए इतनी बड़ी बात है. नहीं. What did I say? मेरे लिए बड़ी बात है पर मुझसे ज्यादा बड़ी बात इसके लिए है. So my win is his win. I won because of him. How can people think कि overnight मैंने मन बना लिया कि हाँ चलो इसका कार्ड देती हूँ. So yeah, I do feel like a lot of this backlash is a little extra and shouldn't happen.
फिनाले के दिन even Tanuj mentioned कि technically you did not betray Digvijay because you all didn't have such a bond. जैसे for example Shali और Shubhi were best friends, तो अगर कुछ हुआ है तो there was something from
That betrayal.
But technically you did not betray because you all did not have such a bond. So
I know.
obviously all these hate itna zyada is not justified, of course. Also, on social media, there are people accusing you of lying about your status. Ki, no, you are not lower middle class. You have studied
That is,
or you have been to Dubai, and many such
yeah,
claims
yeah,
are
yeah.
coming out. What do you have to say about that? Any clarification that you want to make?
It is so stupid because they have taken one line out of what I've said and made a facade out of it. Bhai, pura to slow, yaar. I am not poor, guys. I'm doing very well for myself. I am living my life the way I want to. I'm affording everything I want to because I work for it. My statement very clearly was I come from a lower middle class family, not because अगर सिर्फ in my interviews also I've said it. अगर सिर्फ हम चार लोग होते तो with 80-90,000 it is decent. You can work. But I have an extended family. And my Nanaji is no more. And nobody makes bread in that family. So my father was the sole earner for 8 to 10 members of family, where he had to get my two Mausis married, my mama married, उनका घर बनाना, अपना घर construct कराना, फिर मेरा education करना. So it was difficult. That is where I come from. And I kid you not, I don't lie about it. I have not lied about it. I will never come online and tell you my struggles because I don't want your sympathy. And my father has earned whatever he's earned with a lot of hard work. So I don't want anybody looking at me, sympathetically कि बेचारी नहीं, मैं बेचारी नहीं हूँ. हमने जितना भी किया है बहुत proudly किया है. I'm not poor. No, I'm not poor. But I'm not upper middle class because we couldn't afford those things. I know my reality. And I said, I come from there, but I'm doing great for myself because of the decisions I have taken. ये तो मैंने साफ साफ बोल दिया कि भाई मैं वहां से उठी हूँ, पर अब मैं बहुत सही कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मैंने टफ डिसीजंस लिए. This is another one of those decisions. So what is the confusion? I'm doing very well for myself now. I am not playing any card. I don't want any sympathy. अगर मुझे लेना होता, जब अरबाज ने मुझे वो शब्द दिया था, I could have taken so much sympathy. I did not. Adi dumped me, my own connection, but he sorted out with me. मैं चाहती तो उसका भी sympathy ले सकती थी, नहीं लिया. हर्ष ने इतना कुछ बोला, मैं sympathy ले सकती हूँ. मुझे मैंने तो शो पे भी बोला भाई, when people were coming and giving me sympathy when Adi did what I did, I could have cried and taken 100 people's sympathy, but that's not me. I don't like sympathy. मैंने क्या बोला? I am not a damsel in distress. भाई मैं बहुत सही हूँ, बहुत strong हूँ, नहीं फर्क पड़ता. तो similarly, I am not playing any poverty card because I don't have one, because I am doing fine. But the things that I told about my family are not wrong. If they go back and trace my old photos and my blogs, they'll see the ground reality. And people are saying stuff like, if you were so poor, which I was not, just lower middle class and not upper, how did you study in Amity? यार किसानों के बच्चे अमेरिका पढ़ने चले जाते हैं, इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी है कि हर कोई अंबानी बन गया. I scored. I got financial aid. That is how I went there. उसके बाद भी we applied for loans. How difficult? आज अभी 2 साल पहले जा करके उस लोन की किस्तें पूरी हुई है. मैं ये सब थोड़ी बताऊंगी जा करके लोगों को, क्योंकि क्यों बताऊं मैं ये चीजें? यू डोंट नीड टू नो दैट. इतना सा खाली एक बार बोला कि हाँ मेरे स्ट्रगल्स थे, पीपल आर लाइक सिंपैथी कार्ड, स्ट्रगल कार्ड. अरे अब सच बोलो, उसमें भी सिंपैथी, ये क्या बात हुई? मैं कोई फॉल्स क्लेम्स थोड़ी कर रही हूँ, नहीं चाहिए मुझे सिंपैथी, बट मैंने डिसीजन क्यों लिया, मैं उसका जस्टिफिकेशन नहीं है, रीजन दे रही थी. सो आई स्टडीड बिकॉज आई गॉट द एड एंड वी टुक द लोन. उसके बाद दुबई कैसे गई? Because I have worked for 6 years and I saved 1.5 lakhs and I've never traveled internationally, and मेरा शौक था कि मुझे एक बार तो जाना ही है, so I spent that on me. How big of a crime is that? कि shit, she's not rich but she dared to travel. ये बातें डिस्कशन के लिए भी क्यों है? मैं तुमसे सिंपैथी थोड़ी मांग रही हूँ. You asked me why I did it and I gave you a reason. अब तुम अगर मुझसे सवाल पूछ रहे हो कि ये कैसे किया, वो कैसे किया, मैं क्या जस्टिफाई करूँ उसको यार? People are like, how can you afford an iPhone if you are poor? I am not poor. I am just not very well to do. I was not very well to do, but I have taken a lot of tough decisions, worked a lot for myself, and आज के time पे I can afford it. And iPhone क्यों? Because when I'm a content creator, a public figure, I need to have a good camera phone. I mean, guys, logic. अब मैं इन चीजों का क्या explanation देते फिर?
Fair enough. Yeah. तो ड्यूरिंग द होल थिंग जब भी ये हो रहा था फिनाले पे एंड यू आर रिसीविंग अ लॉट ऑफ हेट, तो स्प्लिट्सविला की कोई भी कंटेस्टेंट दे रीच्ड आउट टू यू, कंफर्टेड यू, एनीथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट?
Oh, privately, yes. All these people, all the contestants unanimously supported me on the set. बट अभी के टाइम पे मुझे प्राइवेटली बहुत लोगों ने मैसेज किया, पब्लिकली नहीं किया, तो आई डोंट नो इफ आई शुड काउंट दैट एज सपोर्ट, बिकॉज ये सेलेक्टिव सपोर्ट क्या है, तुमको पता है पब्लिक गाली देगी तो तुम सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे हो, बट अगर तुम्हें मेरी इतनी फिक्र है तो मेरी मेंटल हेल्थ का सोचो, क्योंकि मुझे तो 80,000 लोग एक कमेंट में गाली दे रहा है। यू नो देयर वाज अ पोस्ट आई डिड फिनाले के एक दिन पहले, फिनाले एपिसोड के पहले, उस पे 1000, 1200, 1500 कमेंट्स होंगे। आई थिंक आज के टाइम पे मैंने श्रद्धा कपूर की एंगेजमेंट क्रॉस कर दिया, बिकॉज यू शुड गो बैक एंड चेक द रील। आई हैव 85,000 कमेंट्स। आई हैड टू रीड इट ट्वाइस कि मैं सही पढ़ रही हूँ, इट मस्ट बी लाइक, बिकॉज 85,000 कमेंट्स तो हो ही नहीं सकते हैं, एंड आई हैड टू चेक इट मल्टीपल टाइम्स। या 85,000 कमेंट्स। तो अगर उनको मेरी इतनी फिक्र होती ना, दे कुड जस्ट हैव पुट आउट वन मैसेज कि गाइस hate her, but at least understand that there is another side to the story and she's just being a little misunderstood. वो नहीं किया. The people who supported me, Shubhi did a lot, even publicly. She put out this message ki guys, you know exactly what I would have wanted anybody to do. She just said ki guys, I was there on that set. She did apologize. She was empathetic, but वो हिस्सा cut out हो गया. So I'm not saying कि Kashish is right. That is up to you to decide. But at least understand that there was her point of view as well. That's it. इतना सा ही करना था. They didn't do it. The people that I expected will call me and will be there for me didn't call. They unfollowed me. Harsh called me. Harsh supported me. Harsh से मेरी सबसे ज्यादा लड़ाई हुई है. I hated the way he breathes and the way he sat, and he hated my guts. But he called me. Shivi and I were never close. But he called me 3 times to ask if I was doing okay, to help me, give me suggestions, what I should do, what I shouldn't do. These guys did. But the people that I expected will do, did not. There were people who hated the guts of Digvijay, but are texting me on WhatsApp and putting out stories for him. So that is the kind of support I got.
Okay, so we had a lot of discussion about the whole grand finale thing. Coming out of that, आपके rumors भी आ रहे कि you are joining Big Boss 18. Anything of that sort? Are you participating in the reality show?
Another rumor. इतने सारे rumors आ गए मेरे फिनाले के बाद. This is just another one of them. बात क्या हर किसी को clarify करते जाओ. अगर कभी मौका मिला मुझे Big Boss में आने का तो आप देख लोगे. Otherwise it's just a rumor.
So like, are you interested to do another reality show?
You know, I think कि if I get Big Boss, it will be so good for a manner that you'll be able to see the real side of me, because this is fragment of reality, but that is a 24/7 reality. So you will be able to see कि अगर मैं तुम पे, you know, people always bring out this point, no but she's so aggressive, उसने ऐसा बोल दिया. I agree, I am not perfect. मैं day one से बोलते आई हूँ, मेरे में ना एक खामी है, but there's just one problem I have. I am very impatient. I don't have a lot of patience, which is not a good thing. I'm not proud of it, but I'm just saying it is. People see कि इसने उसको aggressively बोल दिया, but they don't see कि aggressively क्यों बोला. There must be some reason. पागल तो नहीं हूँ, और फिर aggressively बोला. उसके बाद 10 बार जाके उस इंसान से तब तक apologize किया जब तक that person has not forgiven me, because I don't want to hurt people. I might end up hurting people as a consequence of what I've done, but that was not my intention. So I do go out and I do make sure that the person feels okay, but nobody talks about that. So I think Big Boss will be good because people will be able to see that side of me. At the same time, you know, I hate fighting. I cannot fight, and I don't have a lot of filters on me. So when people see me on Big Boss 24/7 making all these faces and be like, oh, I don't want to talk, and constantly fighting, so I don't think it will be very good for me and I will be a perfect fit for it. But again, इतनी बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, किसी को भी मिलेगा तो वो मना थोड़ी करेगा.
Or also, Kashish, I wanted to ask you about your bond with Sunny and Tanuj.
Oh, that's actually very, very nice. I think they both kind of understood where I came from, and they were always there to talk to me and to support me and to help me. There were moments when I cried and Sunny ma'am just came and she just hugged me. She was like, Kashish, what? I remember these were her exact lines. Girls like you will always be slammed. Because apparently I'm not the most conventional girl out there. Everybody, even in our Indian cinemas, people love Girl Next Door. And I always say, I am not your girl next door. I'm the girl with the edge. I don't want to be the girl next door. You know, I want to be the diva, you know, different sabse. That is not very accepted. So Sunny ma'am told me, no matter what you do, you will always receive a lot of backlash. And she gave me an example of her own story. She was like, I have been the headline of news forever for whatever I have done. No matter how much I redeem myself, I work, people still drag those things to bring me down when they don't get anything else. And same is the case with me. मैंने इतना गलत क्या कर दिया, मैंने इतना बुरा क्या कर दिया? Did I betray my best friends? Did I do something really wrong? Am I a bad person? Did I badmouth people all the time? मैंने ऐसा, I was not hated until the finale. So that means I'm not wrong as a person. People did not hate me. They only disliked my decision because it was in my favor. I think that speaks volumes in itself. And yeah, Sunny and Tanuj are very nice. In fact, Tanuj sir, though, after the show also, he's been so nice to me. Like whenever he'll see a nice reel or a photo or a video of me in which I look good or something, he would share it with me and always say, "Yaar, Kashish, you're my favorite. What is true is true. I really love you. You're so amazing. We should definitely meet. If you need any help, let me know." So it's been very, very nice to me.
Perfect. So, Kashish, that was all from my side for today. All the best for your future projects, and thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Lovely talking to you.